Aurora. This is gonna be my favorite ride for sure. I know these people. Go. Woo! Woo, okay. Makes you feel like you weigh 500 pounds.
Like it's really struggling.
It is. Take a video of me. Oh my god. I'm gonna do something cool. I can't.
Your move is so majestic.
You flexing.
Voila.
Voila. It's hard to trip. Oh. You weren't lying.
Oh yeah, danger. Do not enter.
On your feet. Bring your water chute. Be free.
Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. But it can buy me a boat. And I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash. This woman from Hawaii. She said, hey.
It was a crisis. I gave her my secret blend of herbs and spices. Coke 45 and 2 zigzags. Stop and hit the ball like Cheech and Chong. Hey, wait a minute, man. Check this out. That country music really drove me crazy, but I wrote that ass and said, yes, Miss Daisy. Met this lady in video.
Kelly, Nicole, Angel, Juanita, Stacy, Tracy, Rhonda, Yolanda, Donna, Yolanda. You up on it, bling blinging on the jumping.
I know. I almost lit my kitchen on fire once. Do a Mickey wine.